Hello everyone, welcome to Esmamo Gardens. Today we'll be looking at composting indoor plants. Our indoor plants need nutrients, same as plants outside in the garden. Here I already went ahead and composted all of these plants. Just a thin layer of compost, not too much. So I already had this entire place composted. This is the compost we'll be using. It will fertilize the soil and enrich it with nutrients. Using a garden trowel, you can also use a plastic cup. Scoop up a little bit of your compost and gently, just a thin layer on top of your soil, just like that. And when we're done, we're gonna water in our plants so that the compost can get to work. Why do I need to compost or fertilize my indoor plants? Well, because composting for indoor plants provides essential nutrients for better plant growth. It will improve the soil structure. It will increase water retention while reducing the need for chemical harmful fertilizers that may eventually harm my plants. What happens is that indoor plants deplete the nutrients from their limited potting soil over time. Plants absorb nutrients from the soil to grow and thrive. As these nutrients are used up by the plant, the soil becomes depleted, which can cause plants to struggle and show signs of poor health. As potted plants are watered frequently, which can leach nutrients out of the soil more quickly than in-ground plants. Unlike plants in the wild with vast amount of soil, potted plants are confined to a small pot, meaning the nutrients are limited. Do I now have to replot my plant, meaning that replace the old depleted soil with fresh nutrient soil? No, because that will be expensive and it will be time consuming. So what do I need to do now? This is where composting or fertilizing indoor plants come in. This is the most common, effective way to provide a nutrient boost to my plants. Compost is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are vital for plant growth, root development, and foliage production. It offers a sustained release of nutrients, ensuring a consistent supply for the plants. Compost will then add organic matter, improve the overall structure of the soil. It will act like a sponge, helping the soil to retain moisture and reduce how often I will water my plants. It will foster a healthy ecosystem of beneficial bacteria and fungi, which help break down organic matter and keep plants healthy. This will lead to a healthier and more vigorous plant growth. A healthy plant are better equipped to withstand stresses like heat, drought, and other environmental challenges. Beneficial microbes and improved soil health help plants fight off pests and diseases more effectively. By composting, we play our small bit in saving the environment by recycling organic materials that would have otherwise been thrown away or diverting them from landfills. I will need to replace this saucer, it's a bit small for this pot. It is a bit messy, you will have compost fall on the ground, but having a lot of plant, it is a clean up job every single time. We need to water the plants after applying compost to help it settle into the soil. Water helps the compost to integrate with the existing soil, ensuring there are no dry pockets and encouraging root contact. Though the main rule is always to avoid overwatering. Water will help to move the necessary nutrients the plant needs. I will give this plant an organic fertilizer during the growing season. That will be spring and summer. So I will do it once a month between spring and summer. This jade plant is doing so well. It is a propagation from the one in the village. I went ahead and composted these 2 tables here. We'll continue with the rest. Compost will supply a steady, slow release source of organic nutrients and help create a healthy soil environment that will support my indoor plants. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon.